Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the concept of the swap zone in Forex trading. Understanding what a swap zone is, when it occurs, and how swap rates are applied can help you manage overnight costs and make more informed decisions about holding positions. Let's get right into it. In Forex, the swap zone refers to the daily rollover time when open positions are carried over to the next trading day, and swap, interest for holding a position overnight, is applied. Most brokers treat 5 p.m. EST as the end of the trading day, so open trades at that moment pass through the swap zone and either incur a charge or earn interest based on the interest rate differential of the pair. On your account, you see swap credited or debited in the history or trade window after rollover, which visually confirms whether you've paid or received interest for that day. This daily event can influence when traders choose to enter or exit positions, especially if they are sensitive to overnight costs. So, what are the key concepts for swap zones? A swap in Forex is an interest fee charged or earned for holding a position overnight, calculated from the difference between the interest rates of the two currencies in the pair. If the interest rate of the currency you buy is higher than that of the one you sell, you typically earn a positive swap. If it is lower, you pay a negative swap. Swap effects compound over time, so holding positions through multiple swap zones can either add to profits or gradually erode them, depending on whether your swap is positive or negative. Factors that affect swap rates include central bank interest rate decisions, economic data releases, geopolitical events, market liquidity, currency demand, broker fees, and the specific currency pair being traded. As for who is for, swap zones matter for swing and position traders who regularly hold trades overnight, and for carry traders who specifically target positive swaps as part of their strategy. Short-term scalpers may be less affected if they close trades before rollover, but they still need to be aware of potential spread and volatility changes around the swap time. Swap calculations can be complex, vary between brokers, and change with market conditions, so traders should always check their broker's swap schedule and be aware that negative swaps can significantly reduce profitability if ignored. The Learn More link is in the description below. You can read the full What is a Swap Zone in Forex article, including detailed examples, factors affecting swap, and pros and cons at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational contents.